I'm Beatrice Polito. I used to be a student here, and I'm here to talk about my experience with CS Girls.
Edie Kohlert, and I'm here because I am in Project CS Girls.
So my name is Sylvie Wormser, and I did Project CS Girls.
So my name is Serena Wormser, and I'm here to talk about the Project CS Girls competition.
The challenge of the competition was to come up with an idea to solve a problem in the world. So I think it was a very broad topic that you could pick and choose. I know for my group we chose to create a device to help prevent strokes and detect them, but it was really just up to you and your creativity and what you wanted to tackle in the competition.
Create something that could better society in some way.
So I'd always been really interested in computer science, and it sounded like a really great opportunity to expand on that interest. So the challenge of this competition is to choose a real-world problem,
write about it, you can create a prototype of it, you have to create a video about it,
and then find a solution to it.
I wasn't expecting to like it so much, I guess.
There were a lot of benefits.
The people that you meet and that you interact with are going to help you so much in the long run in realizing your own potential.
And you learn about public speaking and
Realize that, girls could be in STEM.
you learn how to work with a team.
I thought it was so cool.
So this competition kind of made me look at the world in a different way and made me think about things differently.
I'd never really been confident in doing a really big project before.
It's still like a really good thing, and it's a really important thing to do, and you can actually help.
Even if you're not 100% sure you want to do something related to STEM, even if you're not anything into STEM, still do it because it's such an amazing learning opportunity.
If you're interested in doing Project CS Girls, do it.
It was just awesome.
Really cool.
It's just such a great experience.